what were some of the deciding factors in choosing to actually pursue a law degree, go to law school? What were some of the challenges that you had to overcome in that process?
I was not raised in a very traditional household, and that's what I wanted to have. I wanted to be able to provide that. I wanted to have a family. I wanted to have the traditional, wife and mother role. And so for me to do that, it was going to have to be some job that allowed some flexibility if I was going to work. And so it really, that's kind of where it's interesting to say. I would say that's where it fell into place. I really have always known I wanted to be an attorney, though. Really, truly, I've always known that. I also always knew I wanted to own my own firm because I wanted to be able to have a traditional lifestyle. What happened was we had an unexpected pregnancy in law school. And so then it kind of fast tracks everything because you're thinking, well, I'm going to go to law school and then I'm going to get out. I'm going to go work for this big firm. And then in maybe 5 years when I know everything, then I'm going to open up my own law firm. But it fast tracked me because I had gone to school in Florida. We found out my last semester that we were expecting. And so we left Miami and we moved back to Texas, where we're both originally from, but neither one of us are from the Austin area. But we moved here, and I actually was just a stay-at-home mom while I was trying to take the bar here. I was pregnant for the first 5 months, and then took the bar after being back in this state. I want to say about 9 months later. So I already had the baby. And then had her for when she was about a year old was when I found out I had passed the bar. So it was October of 2013 when I found out I had passed the bar.